We are going to try pick up this bucket, this thing from Patriot Supply. It says Ready Hour Ultimate Breakfast Kit. And we have that. Is that what this is?
That's the, 72-hour.
72-hour kit. Okay, so this came in a box, a cardboard box. And this is like a sample kit. And
it's a sample kit.
It's a sample kit, but it doesn't say what foods are in here, so we'll have to figure that out.
Yep.
So this is the breakfast kit, and it tells us not to let little kids fall into this bucket.
Yeah. Ah.
Here's some oatmeal. That's a lot. I hate to open it just to see what it tastes like. It says old-fashioned oats, maple flavoring, and a pinch of brown sugar. Ingredients are oats, sugar, creamer, hydrogenated coconut oil, corn syrup solids, sodium caseinate, a milk derivative. There's a lot of preservatives, but you know, it'll last like 20 years.
25 years on the shelf.
25 years on the shelf. It's best to store this emergency food in a dry, cool location, dark area if possible. Hence the black bucket, between 55 degrees and 70 degrees. So the actual shelf life may vary based on your storage conditions. A half a cup of this is 230 calories. I mean, it'll keep you alive.
Mm-hmm. And then here's your pancake mix.
And by the way, this smells amazing. It smells like maple. Buttermilk pancake mix. You can't smell it? First sign of COVID is not being able to smell, just saying. I can't smell this one.
Well, that's more buttermilk pancake mix.
More buttermilk. Okay, you're supposed to have oatmeal. Looks like some strawberries, some eggs. Don't know.
Oh, orange energy.
Can you hold that to the camera and look down in it so the camera can, so they can see what all is down in it? See all this? This is the orange energy drink. Okay. This feels heavier. Strawberry flavored creamy wheat. Maybe we'll open this because these feel smaller.
Yeah. Okay.
We're going to open it. Oh,
nice little Ziploc baggie.
There we go. Let's look in it. Little packets. Oh, here's another big one. Home-style potato soup. Right there.
Mac and cheese.
Oh, snap. Mac and cheese. We might have to just eat that.
Creamy chicken flavored rice.
Right there.
And black bean soup.
Oh, they always have black bean soup. I guess because, you know, guys. Black bean soup.
And they all, look, they all got the Ziploc top on them, but you tear it open and then you can seal it back up with the Ziploc.
This is what he's showing you. The zipper is right there. Now, of course, once you open it, it's open. I mean, it's no longer 20 years good. Okay, anyway. So we decided to try the pancake mix. Let's see how it goes. All right, we're gonna try our pancakes. You've seen a couple of pictures of them. And this is Patriot Supply. All we had to do was add water, and here we go. Oh my gosh, that's good.
Yes, it is. It's very good.
I think we're gonna be having pancakes for a few days because we opened the package. So good. Way to go, Patriot Supply. All right. Definitely. This worked.
Yes.
See you later.